Hi guys, found this out in my shed. It used to have a string of LEDs on it in the shape of dragonflies. Looks like I've done some work on it in the past to try and fix that strip there. It's got a battery in it. No, absolutely flat. Okay, hang on. Yeah, absolutely flat. I'll go and find one that's charged. We'll pop it in there and just see if we can get any light out of it. Right, got two here. Oh. Let's just have a look first. That's coming up at 1.2. That's coming up 1.2, 1.25. Stick that in there. Oh. Well, I was expecting to have to do some work on it. But that looks like that actually works. So it would appear my repair worked. Whenever I did that, I expect there's a video on it. Oh, so what can I do with that? Well, I suppose the sensible thing to do would be to leave it for a few days and see if it keeps that battery charged up. That should go out if I lift it into the sunlight. Sunlight, where are we? Right, it didn't go out when I put it in the sunlight. So that probably means the circuit board is corroded. So we will have to have a look inside. That's our circuit board. Not very much there. Basically, it's that 4-pin chip there, or component, whatever you call it. That's the one that does all the work. Power comes in from the battery. When there's no power coming from the solar panel, that chip lets the power from the battery go to the LED, which is why the LEDs are light. If there was power coming in from the solar panel, that chip turns off the LED and diverts the power to the battery to charge it up. So, logically, we know we've got a good battery there, but when I turn this over, the LED doesn't go out, so that means the solar panel's faulty. And as I said earlier, I've clearly done some work on it to get it to work in the past, so I'm guessing that's probably gone again just there. Got a light here now, shining on the panel. Got the meter there. Got the last remaining LED there. If I short across, there we go. Nearly 3 volts. 2.98, 3 volts. And the LED's coming on. So it looks like that's exactly what I did last time. I bridged the gap with a bit of solder, so I'll try and do that again. Bridge the gap. And we got the LED on. So if we put this back in again, okay. No. Okay, why have we not got light now? Oh, yes, we have. Right, LEDs on, LEDs off, LEDs on, LEDs off. Right, job done. Well, I've got to screw it back together, obviously. But, yeah, it appears to work. No point in trying to put that outdoors, because as soon as the rain gets on that, that's going to corrode it again. But for my indoor projects, it works. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.